Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, east central Beaujeu Parish in northwestern Louisiana, western Lincoln Parish, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Until Thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cotton Valley, or 10 miles northwest of Minden, moving east at 3rd. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, include Minden, Homer, Arcadia, Sibley, Cotton Valley, Gippsland, Doyline, Dubberly, Dixien, Eastwood, Simsboro, Evergreen, Lisbon, Mount Lebanon, Fillmore, Lake Claiborne and Corinth. For your protection, move to an India room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Beauce, Claiborne, Lincoln and Webster. Your